Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've got something new to put on the truck. So I'll get the camera turned around and we'll show you what we're up to. Be right back. So what we have here, I'll open this up really quick for you. We have new LED tail light lenses and a new LED third brake light and seal to go into the truck here. So I'm going to open the shop door. I'll put the camera on a tripod and we'll get to taking this thing apart. We'll be right back. Oh, and because they don't come with any backup lights or bulbs, you got to put your own in. I bought some LED ones for it, and I've already tested them out. They work pretty good, so those got to go in there. So I'll get the camera set up on the tripod, and we'll get to working on this. So what has to happen first is these two Phillips screws, one-handed, have to come out of here. So this will come out like so, and this one here will come out like so. Lose it, I got to get a magnet, get that out, and then this will just pop out like so, and I'll unplug that connector. So I'll get right back to this in a second. So this connector here just pops up, and you just give it a little bit of a pry back, and it comes off the tail light assembly. I'll probably just clean this up a little bit, and I'll get the other one ready to install. I'll put the backup light bulb in it, and I'll bring you back here in a second. As you can see on the new one, I've taken and just turned this out so we can drop in the new LED bulb into here, and this harness will plug in to here, and then we have a ballast resistor that's in here for the turn signals, and you need that for the turn signals to flash with this ballast resistor that's built into here. I'll have to see how this mounts. Maybe it'll just kind of hang into here or something, or I'll zip tie it into here so it doesn't rattle around. But I'll get this all put together, and I'll bring you back when I have it either ready to go in or partly in. We'll see how that works, but I'll be right back again. Well, I've got this all cleaned up. You can sure tell that the truck hasn't seen very few gravel roads, if any gravel roads at all. It was just a little bit of road dust in here. So I've got this cleaned up, and I'm going to get this light bulb slammed back in here. Like I said, we'll just plug those connectors together. We'll get those screws back in here again. Bang and bang. And we'll test it to make sure that it's okay before we screw it back on. So I'll get it hooked up and we'll be right back. We got the truck running here, and the signal light is working, and we'll shut the signal light off. And we'll see if we have tail lights. Yes, we do. So we got tail lights. They're actually red. It looks to me like it's orange in the video here, but again, it is red. So I'll get this back installed and we'll go from there. Be right back. So as you can see here, I just zip tied the ballast resistor to this bracket here, and I might put another zip tie on here somewhere, and then I'll push it back in. So I just wanted to show you that I'm zip tying this into the frame here of the box. Well, there we have it. That tail light installed. So we'll see what they look like at night. Well, I like the look of them. It changes the truck a little bit, so makes it a little bit more custom. So I'll get the other one installed over here. I'm not going to bore you with doing this. I'll get this one done, and then we'll bring you back and probably show you the high brake light yet to install. So I'll be back shortly. Well, the third brake light in this kit comes with the screws and some plugs to put in here, plus the gasket. So I'll get this removed and we'll put it on and show you what it looks like once it's on. I might try the cargo light here, see what it looks like, but I'll get this installed and we'll be back. So just to show you, if you've never had one of these third brake lights apart before, there's the two screws, Phillips screws on the outside edges here, and then there's two more Phillips screws here that you unscrew to take this whole assembly off. So I'll get this uninstalled and the new one installed, and we'll bring you back. I didn't know that, but this new gasket has a sticky backing on it that's going to get applied to here. So I'll get the wire plugged in. I'll run the gasket down onto here and then install the light. Once again, another nice feature. These lights come with new screws and actually gaskets to seal the screw holes up, as the factory ones never had it. So another nice little feature. It's going to be water sealed pretty good. I'll get it plugged in, installed. We'll bring you right back. Before I put it in, let's just make sure the brake light works, and it does. And let's just make sure I have a cargo light, and I have cargo lights. Cool. Okay, so I will get that puppy installed and bring you back. Well, there we have this installed. This gasket just needs to follow along that line that the old gasket left. So that seals up pretty nice. It looks like it's good and strong. And again, you saw that work. So that's what that looks like. I will keep all the old stuff. I'll put it back in the box that these came in, wrap them up, and I'll store them away. I get the thing rolled back here and maybe put the camera on the tripod and show you what the brake lights and stuff look like from behind the truck. So I'll be right back once again. Okay, I'm going to get in the truck and start it, and you tell me if I have brake lights, signal lights. Let me turn the radio down here. Turn the door buzzer off. Brake lights. Signal left. Signal right. Park lights. Brake lights. Left. Or left and right. So you tell me, everybody, if I have lights, because I can't tell from here, or I can look on the camera. But well, there we go. Oh, one thing I didn't try is the backup lights. So let me get back in here, get it started. And do we have backup lights? So let me know, or I'll know, I guess, when I look on the video. So everyone, there's the video of the installation of these new tail lights and high centered brake light with the cargo lamps. Let me know what you think. I think they certainly do look pretty good. I'm impressed with how they look. So here we have the passenger driver's side. This does light up in here as a bit of a marker. Again, the high brake light. So like I said, let me know what you think. It doesn't take very long. Again, you can install these in about 15-20 minutes, if that, if you're not doing a video. So 15-20 minute install. Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, a couple of zip ties to hold up the ballast resistors for the signal lights, and that's all it takes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you nothing. Every subscriber and every like helps, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Bye now.